झेडपी वेंचणुकेक विधानसभा वेंचणुके वरवीं चड उमेद नासता। त्या खातीर झेडपी वेंचणुकेक कमी मतदान जाला, मात भाजपाचे जैत निश्चित आसा। उत्तर गोंयान आमचो बरो निकाल लागतलो म्हण पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनो उलयला। RDX गो खातीर चिखलेच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
For this Jilla Panchayat election, it was very low with last year performed to last year JLP election. How do you see the results? What do you expect?
See, as it is, as you know, elections are elections, but when they are Jilla election, the enthusiasm is not as much as for assembly. Just as we see that the enthusiasm is not as much for parliamentary election, but I can say that as far as the North Goa Jilla is concerned, the BJP will romp home with a good number of seats. In the south, at the most we may have to take help of some independent, but even then we will be forming our ruling panel as far as the South Goa Jilla is concerned. So overall, it is going to be a good picture for the